Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial we will knit this beautiful headband. The written instruction you can find on my blog. I did it a long time ago, maybe more than 5 years already, but I've got not one request for the video, so I decided to make a video now. If you need a written instruction, please check my blog. For this headband, I'm using merino wool yarn, and it is Chinese yarn, and I'm going to knit in 2 strands like this, because in my written instruction you will find that I was using bulky yarn, but you can use DK yarn as I'm using here. You see it's 50 grams and 128 meters. Yes. And when you hold it together, my gauge was 17 stitches per 10 centimeters, and I'm going to use 2 double pointed needles, 3.5 millimeters. If you like this headband, you are more than welcome to join me. Using long tail cast on method and 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, cast on any odd number. In my case, like in my written instruction, I cast on 17 stitches. Slip the first stitch and then knit 1, purl 1, 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 and like this go on till the end. Knit 1, purl 1. As we have odd number, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. We will always purl it. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch and repeat again. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, so we call it seed stitch. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So it's like whenever you see purl stitch, you knit it. Now you see knit stitch, you purl it. Otherwise you will get a ribbing. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Perfect. Turn and repeat again the same row. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and go until the end and repeat this row until the headband reaches desired length. Here I am, guys. So let's measure now. I want to show you the width. I said 17 stitches and 10 centimeters. And you see exactly. And now for an adult size, I did almost 45 centimeters. And it's stretchy. You see my yarn is really stretchy, so maybe you will need for an adult size I need 47. So it depends on the yarn you're using. Now let's bind off. Slip the first stitch, then knit one and slip the first over the second one. Now purl one and again slip the first over the second, then knit one, slip, purl one, slip over, and go on. Knit one, slip over, purl one, slip over. Knit one, slip over, purl one, slip over. Sorry, here's the yarn is broken. I will cut it later. Purl the last stitch and slip over. Great. Now you need to cut the yarn and leave a long tail. Make a knot here. I left too long tail. Shorter, leave at least 30 centimeters. Now you will need yarn needle or tapestry needle. If you don't, use a hook. Thread the tail. And now we will join two sides. Let me join here. And simply pull the yarn to the back, from front to back and from back to front, underneath both loops on each side, back and forth. Please go on. Now that's what I have. Carefully, do not break the yarn. Pull the tail to make wrinkles in this way. So let's look on the right side. That's what we have. A little bit more you can pull. Okay. And now in my written instruction you will find that the central part, the ring, I was doing using the same seed stitch. Here I decided to knit it in stockinette stitch in the parting, and if you are going to make the central part using the seed stitch again, cast on odd number, so it was 7 stitches. Now I cast it on 8 stitches and knitted this part in stockinette stitch, like one row knit all stitches, then on the wrong side purl all stitches, and let's measure the length, about 9 centimeters. Again, you have a tail here, and we are going to join it around the central part where we did wrinkles. Thread the tail again. Wrap the ring around the central part, and you can use here invisible horizontal seam method, but to make it easier, just join in this way. Like this. And the last one. And to fix the circle, because it can roll around, you need to fix it also once or twice to the headband itself in this way. 1 and 2. Lots of tails, but then don't forget to weave in ends. So you see, now we fix it and it will not move. So from one side is enough. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave comments. You can tag me in social media with your project. If you're using my patterns, I'm always happy. Leave comments if you have any questions, recommendations, and wishes. And I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Please stay tuned and take care. Bye!